Okay, we're going to add a little seasoning now. And I think basically, what are you going to put in there?
Some black pepper and Goya adobo.
Hold that back down there again and let them see it one more time. Okay, this is our go-to for just about everything. It has, what are some of the things it has in it?
It has salt, granulated garlic, black pepper, oregano, and turmeric.
So it's kind of a do-all seasoning for a lot of different foods. You want to let this cook until it's almost done before you add the seasoning in so it doesn't just turn to mush. The salt will cause it to break down a little faster and you'll end up with just mush. So this is almost done. We're going to be enjoying it very soon. So a nice view and wonderfully tasty food. It just doesn't get much better than this. So there you go, guys. Get out, be safe, go adventure. And yes, the girls had to photobomb the last segment.